for living, giving. I've been many places. Ubo. Iiyak ka ba? Huwag iiyak.
Such a sad song.
Oo. Ayaw mo ba yung kanta? Gusto mo mabilis na kanta? Gusto mo bumalik sa Beatles? Isn't much that I have learned. You memorized this song already. Except my tips running in circles. But yeah. And those is sarap ng paa, ang amoy na ba? My head up high, I'm kinda tired. Harap ka sa kama, harap sa kama.
I got it.
And last week, following the voice, I got fired. You know, it's almost funny. Oh, what's a big sigh? Oo, ang sarap ng sigh mo. Na, buntong hininga. Buntong hininga, oo. Ang sarap-sarap ng hininga, buntong hininga. Yan ah. Ang lalim-lalim ng buntong hininga. Ha? May problema ba? Ha? At bumubuntong hininga ka?